Well, hello again. This is VA Corey, your VA Loan Information Hub. And in this video, we're going to be covering a very important topic that is a crucial aspect for every VA loan. What is that, you might ask? Well, it is closing cost. In most cases, VA loans don't require a down payment, but they do require closing cost. And we're going to be covering what closing costs you should expect, who can pay for them, and the options to decrease the amount you'll need out of your own pocket. So first, let's jump in with what closing cost you should expect. There are always services and service providers that are involved in the home buying process that require payment for their services. Lenders, appraisers, and the title company, to name just a few. And it would be very difficult to give you an exhaustive list of all of the possible closing costs that you could incur, but I'm going to mention some of the most prevalent. There is the appraisal, credit report, flood certification, lender origination fee, discount points to buy down your interest rate if you choose to do that, prepaid interest, the VA funding fee, which can be financed into your loan amount, your first year's insurance premium paid to the insurance company, escrows for property taxes and insurance, attorney or title fees including title insurance, recording fees, taxes, and inspections such as a termite inspection or a home inspection. Now, I know that you probably would love to have an estimate of exactly how much all of these costs may be, but since that would vary from city to city and state to state, the best piece of advice I can give you is to get an estimate of closing costs in the area where you're looking to purchase a home in from a licensed mortgage loan officer such as myself. Now, second, let's talk about who can pay for those closing costs. Well, you as the buyer can pay for the closing costs from your bank account, investment account, or retirement account. Now take note that you may not use cash that you have stashed away somewhere. The funds need to be seasoned for a couple of months in a bank account or other type of account. Another option is to have an eligible donor like a relative give you a gift. They'll have to complete something known as a gift letter, which basically states that they're giving you a gift and that gift is not required to be repaid. And yet another option for those who qualify is down payment and closing cost assistance from an eligible program or an eligible organization. Now, make sure you know the specifics of how these programs work, because they may come with higher interest rates on that VA loan, and they may have to be paid back if you sell or you refinance your home within a certain period of time. Knowing who can pay for those closing costs can give you a leg up on preparing for this inevitable cost. Third, now let's talk about how you can decrease the amount you're going to need out of your own pocket. One way is through a seller credit towards closing cost. In some cases, depending on the type of real estate market you're purchasing in, you and your realtor can negotiate to have the seller pay for some or all of the closing costs. If the home has been on the market for only a few days, or if it's maybe a hot real estate market, that may be more of a challenge, but certainly something to talk to your realtor about to see if that might be an option. Another way to decrease the amount you will need out of your own pocket is a lender credit towards closing cost. In exchange for a higher interest rate, the lender may be able to provide you with a credit to offset some or all of the closing cost. Or you may be able to do a combination of both a seller credit towards closing cost and a lender credit towards closing costs in order to minimize your out-of-pocket cost altogether. Well, that wraps up our video about closing costs on VA loans. What they are, who can pay for them, and how you can decrease your out-of-pocket expenses. If you have more questions or want personalized advice, feel free to reach out to me at vacorey.com. That's vacorey.com. And if you found this information helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more valuable insights into the world of VA loans. Until next time, I'm VA Corey, signing off. Stay informed, stay empowered. We'll see you soon. Take care.